ana me ka say cedi na ho den no a stabilize it cedi no asan drop na me catch was obusa most market people are na be catch on say enya dropping na ekosuru no all they need is stability so largely the conversation is about so the conversation is about stability and not volatility so na de no ene ekosuru tena be fa mu hu anyi be gina fa akokra for 2 months otimi de ye ni projection plan
sure
ana me catch us me de menya omonte ne maso because from 15th March you say sidina stable be April 25 and the table from why e me konya so me sort ne confirm from CPS takwa no ne o hwe from March 25 utimi hu say stability no ha na asa teba from oko Bloomberg enso a utimi hu the same trend no from the chart etina me nyina so no so omonte ne maso Monday anopa ana guta yenom kasa love FM ansa na papa ni be rat studio kra na guta odi we kire me guta president national say adjust prices with immediate effect the other kwade bi e na inflation analysis ba Ghana ni no onya sa antinka no ni botum enti asa na analysis na say faso bi ha maso what you say enti oso mo tete ne maso and it's a good thing and I applaud guta and no so me market savvy me market say emu especially 50 kg 45 kg 5 kg no as a 10 cdb tete free so all your so aba phone spaghetti a wholesale bon or the man me ti anya retail a wholesale price it is a swat ya ma yehu comment section him say good can free Monday na swat ya
ma yehu na tie fo betwetwe nkomo
yes
how they buy
normal from December no say abetu saying but akoko en can say inflation a 5th consecutive month after you meme started from December to December, January, February, March, April.
Okay.
Onyema bo no akosoro na asa abafom. Na go say Ghana for Philippi.
Yeah. My yanchia TROTRO drivers, mate say Konfanochi runabout no. Omo biem pa.
Omo biem.
Yes, omo biem. Last time I'm in a driver back ho etwetwen komo.
Oh nice.
And omo che say like analysis na Saturdays eba no. Omo chi omo Philippi. Omo pe wani mo ahwe.
Oh, I me ko.
TROTRO drivers am work on for not runabout woni nyina no.
Yes.
Eugene say to the fact check Canada na me.
I go for me come me call do. I'm call do. Yes. Akokwa eno no na oka TROTRO foi. Akokwa enu a me starting my advocacy bi.
Right.
Na o time ni ntino one hekra metimi ayama o. Me nim say me keep me page na.
That would be fantastic.
Akokwa wonim.
Okay.
This is it. Ebi next week my yama. Konye mbesa me no hambo hu me private messages.
Right.
And when me hu message we. Or say fuel prices to witness biggest drop of 8% today. Which is the second price. But I just again you 2 pricing windows normally. 1st May and 16th May. It is say you best start bosume na any the petrol cost na e de ba from.
Right.
You do 2 weeks we abosume no so chemu mienu a any the petrol cost na e ba from. So the 1st and 16th. And then when they 16 for no, and almost say with poor prices to witness biggest drop of 8% today, May 16 due to CD appreciation. Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies. Where OMCs now,
okay.
Pakokwa. TROTRO drivers, yente hum puye bia so mo bete TROTRO so. How can it be important no? Odi a wo yusuka, obi yeti.
Yeah.
Ye bebre no. Ye bebre no. We don't feel sa analysis aye wa ha no. Inflation cedi no. You be failure when the basics number from. What is the basic? TROTRO. Do na for TROTRO.
Yeah.
Akwa ade be ko etwa mi so mzama pon adwuma 4:30 na wo ko. Unza mitidio. Ko kwa hwe ni page na kwa ho. Above 4:35. TROTRO driver say ba bia besi bia 10 cedi. Inya accident me kofo car akoko bia meti odium 350%. Above 5 into so je 10 cedi ba bia besi bia 10 cedi. E no mo de ya manfo. Na kokwa ene mo TROTRO drivers so.
Sure.
This is my analysis. Share article we am enjoy online na troye.
Okay.
And then me kasa me per sentence analysis.
Right.
Enti ye be ko line by line na analysis. Ni akoko ebusi en wo say. Ni Kumasi TROTRO drivers e de yen no. Eye.
Ne kwan so ana anya ne kwan.
Ni Ghana for TROTRO drivers e de yen no. Eye. Ni VIP for de yen no. Eye. Ni STC for de yen na ye eno ne ye be ye. Akoko wo say. 4 prices e be ko efom. second pricing window akwa shall say according to the pricing guidelines for the window, petrol is expected to go down between 6.7% and 8.8% per liter from today. And the petrol air conform by an average of this percentage. Or say, a liter could be sold for 13.27 or even lower. Diesel, on the other hand, should be reduced by 4% and also about 14.40 or lower. Now, what had there? Omu course ko na me my pages omu course TROTRO brofo no mu TROTRO ye na no and omu se dollar na tia from by chill from May ABC and no dollar na tia from about 14.27 to 12.45 and the dollar na perform significantly again me tell said near 5 e man ye de petrol cost no crude ka ho cedi na ho odin exchanges and me say levies and taxes suppliers margin any ade any OMC margins akokwa world price of fuel no so aba fom entity ebrofo no say fuel prices have witnessed a downward trend for the last 5 consecutive windows akokwa ebrofo kakaka na etie ne say in the last 6 weeks ebro sakra yento petrol
sure
because akokwa ye were 2 pricing windows in 1 month
right
it in a chance in the last 5 weeks mum petrol abafom
sure
akokwa Ghana ha aye tie menu na ate ha yi and akokwa say petrol ye 5 consecutive times enka TROTRO bo nkosoro ana
enti o ma simple
tio o say 5 consecutive akokwa consecutive na say bobo ho back to back etwoaso 5
ya tete so
eti Ghana mi buza te TROTRO driver say nyamudi ye is it fair say for need diesel prices increase 5 consecutive times mo sign buo ma na it is not fair
sure
na kokwa na intermaker say it is not fair ne say yenko board no so ne anya ma asidi o say na fuo no na we turn an average of 16 akokwa meboa Ghana ye liter na 4.5 and 5 liters
sure
and 5 consecutive times article on chest say average in fact there be amekasa me menya conjecture so I'll give you the numbers so near here or say okwa baby to say goy Ghana enya 4 say do so ye goy right goy crowd o matumfu also 7 consecutive times from February 2025 let's know that goy what in the so by 7 consecutive times yankoso star wayo when you so mato be brown the second almost no for the last year's announced reduction in prices effective 8 a.m. and the adoption of the or say petrol is selling at 12 cedis 57 pesos
sure
ebikura turn 12 cedis 47 pesos diesel also here 13 cedi 49 pesos akokwa averagely na the petrol no yamfa no say 12.47 ya dey 12.50 from 16
eswati
ayana ni diesel no here 13.5 and akokwa ha no diesel there no the difference is 2 cedi 50 pesos meboa petrol there from 16 to here difference here 3 cedi 50 pesos so on every liter of petrol the TROTRO driver is saving 3 cedi 50 pesos now akokwa makatro say Ghana your liter system no 4.5
sure
so what that means that 4.5 times 3.50 no 15 cedi 70 pesos it they trying to say petrol na average luton is 16 cedis times 4.5 and na 72 no and na 15.75 ni free man 0.75 over 56 cedis 25 pesos
they say ina bejina ho
gallon
na bejina 56 cedis 25 pesos
na 72 at an average of 16 average ni chesa maka 3 OMCs abom Star, Gold, Total, Shell, and you been 16. And you hold 16 no constant for full only diesel.
But 16 no times 4.5 na mami.
Yes. So 16 times 4.5 and then 72 no.
72 no.
Yes.
Right.
And in the end say 15.75 they say no to gallon na 72 no. It's auto no 56 cedis 25 pesos.
Engineer say
was saving 15 cedis 75 pesos on every gallon. Akokwa meme car 40 liters It demands 40 liters times. Demands 3 cedi 50 pesos on every liter.
Sure.
What that means is that 3 cedi 50 pesos must save 140 Ghana cedis in the last 5 weeks.
Abesho butum.
Abesemi butum. It won't commercial driver now what more same, you know. Yeah. Why shouldn't the ordinary Ghanaian enjoy it?
Only idea me Eugene. Yeah, 2 petrol mu 1 cedi. I remember. I think 2023 was no more pressure buying
yes.
It was just 1 cedi 20 pesos also.
Yes.
And drivers almost took a scam.
Yes.
So why say ya Teswama when ya a decrease of about 3 cedi 50 pesos? And no the
per liter.
And no the on
pesos. It will a gallon be or better when you 15 cedi 76 pesos. Oh, 1 peso better so. Is it fair? Now what one Eye ni amo ye breyi aban eno na take me to me conversation to my fan kan on e bi out ya lolo.
Okay.
Ahokwa unim. Sometimes yeah man no. The reason why a man for ye say is because ya amo ye breyi.
Sure.
Next week me ya man.
Yeah.
Ya amo ye breyi because I don't want some private conversations to be on air.
Yeah.
Ya amo ye breyi.
Sure.
Inki nya ya lolo ni ye adwuma. Metro Mass ye adwuma. And KBA ye medru say akokwa nya me man say I have an article next week I have an article on Ayalulu. Akokwa wo hwe how a bands ba ko turn $260,000. They go for the krom no. Ya say no.
Passes ne say. Don't wanna crash.
Na akokwa ye school no be ka oh spare part akokwa ye nyachika. De bia na to spare parts. Oh na road ready course akokwa de bia na twa road ready certificate.
Mama.
You see, and you're fair to the Ghanaian. As you can't all fool about from Amun feeling. Muntisu, good of what say. It can be done or say with immediate effect. If the TROTRO driver say, yes, Remo, Munsumun Tenima, so high. That's my first story.
Into your chiamo TROTRO for ya chiamo.
Yacha.
Oh, my neighbor, ya, no more.
Ya no man,
So, Eugene,